something super simple, like so easy that even a 13-year-old can do it, keep watching. My name is Kathy and I help people use their air fryer. Are you ready for some super crazy, fast and easy recipes? Let's go. This one, you just need 4 simple ingredients. All right, so grab 2 bagels out of the bag. Go ahead and cut them open. Good job, good job. And by the way, this is on page 174 in my cookbook at yummyairfryrecipes.com. Now this is a little bit larger basket, so I think we can fit 1 more in there. Then you're just gonna spread that pizza sauce all over those bagels and go ahead and place pepperoni down or whatever type of protein you want. Then throw down all the cheese. Now it kind of helps if you kind of push it down a little bit, especially with this thinner sliced cheese. Pop it in the air fryer. You're gonna air fry this at 400 for 5 minutes. High five. Okay, pizzas are done. Oh yeah.
That looks so good.
Okay, give it a bite. Hot? Hot. It's a little hot.
I don't really like pepperoni pizzas, but I'll try it.
Nice and steamy. That was so easy to make. I'm making this every day after school from now on. So good. 2,000 out of 10. And it's so simple. If you got a 13-year-old son, just show him this video because this will save his life.
This one came from viewer Fred, who told me about this all-in-one breakfast dish. First, I need you to spray the inside of that ramekin. This is an 8-ounce ramekin, and guess what we're putting in here?
Eggs?
Yes, ma'am. We're gonna put eggs in here. Now's your chance to crack some eggs. Logan, you wanna come help her? Nice.
I want to try.
Do 1 more.
Okay, harder. And a bit more, yeah. Just like 1 boom. Then squeeze them out, yep.
Got it?
Part.
Yay!
Nice. No shells at all.
Do you have
No
dirty fingers?
shells.
Salt and pepper it. Oh boy, oh boy. There we go. Okay, okay. Okay, we are preheating this air fryer. Okay, now we've got a hot air fryer, so you need to carefully maybe have Big Brother help put those in. Just set a ramekin in a corner and throw those hash browns down and throw the sausages down.
Okay.
Then we're gonna pop that in the air fryer and that's cooking for 10 minutes at 380. Washing their hands, and then I want a high five. Yay! High five, high five, high five. Oh, nice. Okay, see if those eggs are done to your liking. Nice, huh?
That's perfect.
So, is this an easy breakfast you can make for yourself every morning?
All young people need to have air fryers because they're honestly such a lifesaver, dude. I don't know what I would do with that one.
There you go. Wisdom from a 13-year-old. When Dad and I are on a date night, salad with chicken on top. Ready? Rip it open. Now just throw in however many you're gonna eat. Okay, go at 380 for 10 minutes. That's all set. So yep, start button. Yes. That's fun, huh?
Better check on these guys. Ooh la la.
Pretty good.
4 minutes left. When children are cooking, they are not always perfect.
No, they're not. They're not. Good thing I could just wipe that away. Pull that out, use your tongs, set them on the plate, just cut it into bite-sized pieces. What was your other idea to use with these chicken strips?
You could put them in a burrito wrap, like tortilla.
Whoa, so you mean like this?
I mean like this. That should work, I think. I think for this tortilla part, you might need a little adulting. Because, I don't know, maybe I'm just really bad at this.
You just need to practice rolling up your tortillas.
This is page 169 in the cookbook.
And where do you get the cookbook from?
yummyairfryrecipes.com.
Okay, so you've got your fries. It says 14 ounces of French fries. How much is this?
32 ounces.
How much then is 14 ounces from this bag?
Half.
Yeah, about half. Go ahead and dump half in the air fryer basket.
Pop it in the air fryer.
And whoa, whoa, whoa. What are we gonna do here?
Oh, we gotta move it.
We gotta move it.
400 for 15 minutes. Press start.
Oh wait, we forgot something. We need some taco seasoning. Sprinkle like a tablespoon of taco seasoning and then you can just stir it around.
Now we're gonna pop this in the air fryer for 400 degrees in 15 minutes. Time to give these fries a little shaking.
Yay! Fries are done.
So we're gonna put the fries into the bowl.
That.
We're gonna put the parchment paper in the air fryer.
Fold it a little bit first.
Perfect. So now we're gonna drop all the fries right into here. Pick your favorite cheeses.
Load it up.
Time for the chihuahua.
It's quesadilla cheese. It's a great melting cheese.
Now go to step number 7 on the cookbook. Cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes at 350 degrees or 176 degrees Celsius or until the cheese is melted. So now we're gonna get some spicy fry sauce by getting 1/3 cup of sour cream, half a teaspoon of taco seasoning right here, and half a teaspoon of sriracha sauce.
It's ready.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know if we need to add anything, bro. Now we're gonna garnish these fries. Garnish them some more.
Yeah.
Just squeeze this out. Bro, this would be the best after school snack ever. That looks so good.
You ready to devour?
Yeah, just smell that. Bro, there's so much to choose from. Should dig in. Oh my goodness. Oh my, so good.
Got a little kick in there.
It tastes like better than the ones that I've had at restaurants. Like,
Winning. We don't need to go out to eat.
that was so good, dude.
Hey, if you're looking for some more super easy recipes, I've got some for you right here. And don't miss out on these 25 air fryer tips you've got to know right here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Oh, these got devoured.